We have installed more than 300 sanitization stations, and we continue to add more sanitization stations across the terminal buildings. The use of protective gear will be strongly enforced. So putting on face masks, use of gloves for our airport workers will also be strongly enforced. So those are some of the few changes, but there's a lot more that has changed.
Our airports are ready for business, and that's why we are working hand in hand with the Ministry of Health. The Port Health is located at every entry point of our country. The airports, seaports, and even the border points within the region. And we cannot talk about opening the airspace without discussing Nairobi as a hub. And so our objective is to come and see activity, people flying in at night and flying in the morning. This is what will give us a lot of joy.